Transform your finances from a mystery to a masterpiece with Revolut's powerful budgeting tools. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly manage your money and crush your financial goals using Revolut. First, locate and tap the budget icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen or within the main menu. This is your central hub for all things budgeting. Now, let's set up your spending limits. Tap on Create Budget and select a category that fits your spending needs. Like groceries, you can create as many categories as you like, from rent and utilities to entertainment and dining out. Once you've chosen a category, input a realistic monthly spending limit. This is your target. Your guideposts to staying on track. Revolut will then visually show you how much you have left to spend in that category for the month. Revolut is smart. It automatically categorizes most of your transactions. For example, a purchase at a supermarket will likely be tagged as groceries, but if it's miscategorized, or you want to be more specific, simply tap on the transaction and manually change its category. Now for the magic. Understanding your habits, head over to the Analytics or Spending section here. You'll see clear visual breakdowns of where all your money is going. Use these charts and graphs to identify areas where you might be overspending or where you can cut back. Looking to save for something specific? You can also set up savings goals within Revolut. Link your budget to these goals to see how your spending decisions directly impact your progress towards them. This gives you incredible motivation to stick to your plan. By consistently categorizing your transactions and monitoring your spending limits through these intuitive tools, you'll gain unparalleled control over your finances. Start budgeting with Revolut today and take the first step towards achieving your financial dreams.